The TCL X937U is a 7.1.4 channel soundbar system that aims to deliver a premium and immersive sound experience for home theater enthusiasts. It supports both Dolby Atmos and DTS-X formats, which use object-based audio to create a three-dimensional sound field that envelops the listener. The system consists of a main soundbar unit, two wireless surround speakers, and a wireless subwoofer. The soundbar features TCL's Ray-Danz technology, which uses curved acoustic reflectors and angled drivers to widen the soundstage and create a natural sound without digital processing. The wireless satellite speakers and subwoofer do a great job of filling a room with sound, and they create a wide soundstage. The system also boasts a total power output of 1020 watts, which should be enough to fill any room with dynamic and powerful sound. The performance of the X937U is impressive and immersive, especially when playing Dolby Atmos or DTS-X content. The system creates a wide and spacious soundstage that fills the room with clear and detailed sound. The dialogue is crisp and intelligible thanks to the dedicated center channel. The surround speakers add depth and dimension to the sound, creating realistic effects that move around you. The up-firing drivers create a sense of height and overhead sound, enhancing the Atmos experience. The subwoofer delivers a solid and tight bass response that complements the rest of the system well. The system also has several preset sound modes, such as movie, music, game, and sport, that optimize the sound for different types of content. The design of the X937U is sleek and elegant, with a gray fabric wrap that covers the front and top of the soundbar and the surround speakers. The soundbar measures 41 inches in length, which makes it suitable for TVs of 43 inches or larger. The subwoofer is a large and sturdy unit with an 8 inches driver that can deliver deep and punchy bass. The surround speakers are compact and easy to place, and they feature both front-facing and up-firing drivers for Atmos effects. The system comes with a remote control that allows you to adjust the volume, input, sound mode, and other settings. You can also use the TCL Home app to control the system via your smartphone or tablet. If this video is helpful to you, a subscribe to the channel would mean a lot to me. That tells me that I am building an audience and that I am creating helpful content. And don't forget to like the video, as it helps reach a wider audience and really supports the channel. The X937U offers a variety of connectivity options, including 3 HDMI ports, one with EARC, an optical input, and a USB port. The HDMI ports support 4K HDR and Dolby Vision pass-through, which means you can connect your 4K devices to the soundbar and enjoy high-quality video and audio without any loss of quality. The system also supports wireless streaming via Bluetooth 5.3, DTS Play-Fi, AirPlay, Chromecast, and Spotify Connect. You can also use voice commands to control the system via Alexa or Google Assistant. The soundbar also has a number of sound modes, including movie, music, game, and voice, so you can customize the sound to your liking. The X937U is not without its flaws, however. One of them is the lack of a display on the soundbar, which makes it hard to see the input or volume level. You have to rely on the LED indicators or the app to check these settings. Another issue is the AI sonic adaptation feature, which is supposed to calibrate the system based on your seating position and room acoustics. However, some users found this feature not to make much difference, and they preferred to manually adjust the levels using the remote or the app. Overall, the TCL X937U is an excellent soundbar system that offers a premium and immersive sound experience for home theater enthusiasts. It supports both Dolby Atmos and DTS-X formats, which create a three-dimensional sound field that envelops the listener. It features TCL's Ray-Danz technology, which widens the soundstage and creates a natural sound without digital processing. It has a sleek and elegant design, a powerful and dynamic sound output, a variety of connectivity options, and wireless streaming capabilities. It also comes with wireless surround speakers and a wireless subwoofer that add depth and dimension to the sound. The X937U is a great value for money option for those looking for a high-end soundbar system that can compete with some of the best models in the market. If you are looking for a high-end soundbar with excellent sound quality and performance, the TCL X937U is a great choice. It is packed with features and is easy to set up and use. However, it is expensive, so it is not for everyone. If you are on a budget, there are other great soundbars available on the market, such as the TCL C935U. The C935U does not have as many features as the X937U, but it still offers excellent sound quality and performance for the price. For buying options and more information about this soundbar, check the links in video description, and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Now, check out my two next videos. See you soon.